Y'all, I am filming right now on a Saturday, and a video I put up on Tuesday on LinkedIn has 437 views as of this moment. It has been reshared twice and seen by people at BuzzFeed, NBC Universal, and Disney. Just a couple of names on that list. Now, the thing is, I made that video in 3 minutes. If I had made a video that quickly and posted it on YouTube, it would maybe have 3 views. But on LinkedIn, the reach goes out immediately. So to say that video is powerful on LinkedIn is kind of an understatement. Today, I'll show you some ways to make video for LinkedIn and the key tips you need to know to make sure your videos get seen. Let's get started. So before we begin, in case we haven't met, I am Cassandra and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips to gain career confidence. And if you like LinkedIn content, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And with that, we'll get going. So, video on LinkedIn. First off, you can film straight off your phone. So, you open up the LinkedIn, and you can film 2 ways off your phone. You can open up the LinkedIn app and hit the little camera and turn it towards you and hit the red record button. That's it. Super simple. You can just put that up and add a little sticker, a title, and send it. Easy peasy. And y'all, LinkedIn is still the wild, wild west for video, so it's okay if it's fly by the seat of your pants. Hey, I just thought of this and post it. Totally fine. Now, I do recommend going one step farther and just use the camera feature on your phone, record your video, and then go into iMovie or whatever your Android software is. I have a friend who uses InShot. It's a free app. Use those to do a quick edit. Maybe, you know, taking out the part where you're pressing record and at the end where you're looking for it again. Just those little slices can help. So that's one way to do it. The other way is to film a video like this, edit it, and then upload it straight to LinkedIn. That totally works too. Either way is really simple. If you're on LinkedIn on your desktop or laptop, you simply, I'm looking it up right now as I tell you, you simply go to your home feed and same thing at the top, there'll be a button that says start a post and next to it will be the little camera icon. Hit that and it'll let you upload a file. Pretty simple, right? But there are some key things you need to know about video on LinkedIn. You really want to keep your videos between 1 and 4 minutes. Now, they can be longer and some people are experimenting with that, but people are normally watching these videos and scrolling LinkedIn at work and they don't have time to sit and watch a long video. So if you have just one point you want to share that one point. If you have 3 points, share 1 each day. Make 3 separate videos. It's just going to gain attention quicker. Then, because people are watching at work, you want to have captions in your video. I like to use the software Quik. I'll put a link to their program below. It's automated captions. It's super easy. You can add branding. You can choose colors, or branded colors, I should say. You can choose fonts. It's just such a simple program, and you can get the SRT file as well. So you want to add captions because people are watching at work and not everyone can watch with sound on, so make sure you add those captions. Then, some people don't even have time for the 3 minutes, so make sure you are still writing a post to go with the video. So when you upload a video, you can still write content above that. You need to do that. So make sure you write a post kind of giving the key points that are gonna be used in the video. Now, my trick is always, if there are 3 points in a video, I give 2 of them and then say to hear the third, you gotta watch the video. But at least people still got some information. You provided value in some way, even if they couldn't stop and watch your whole video. So I know these are quick tips, but I hope they have helped you understand LinkedIn video a little bit better. You know, like I said, it is the wild, wild west over there with video. So just try something. Try something, anything, and see how it goes. Your reputation is not going to be ruined. The world is not going to crumble. Take your phone, film a video, and put it on LinkedIn. And of course, if we are not connected yet on LinkedIn, I would love to connect. So you can get my link in the description box below. Send me a message when you connect saying that this is how you found me, and I would be happy to connect with you over there. That is it for today. I've got more videos for you right here, so keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.